Hi guys, there you have it. It seems to be confirmed that Vuyokazi being engaged is a real thing. There I got proof, as you can see from the screenshot above, at chef underscore Kolani underscore Sabelo. He put up Vuyokazi's picture there. He said happy birthday, Sandwa Sami, with the heart emoji, and he says, and she said yes. Thanks to he tags basically that is the flower company that delivered this whole cute type of setup for him. So I know other people are like, hey, why you guys are not waiting for Vuyokazi? Well, Vuyokazi's man decided to post her because he was so excited for his fiance or about his fiance. He posted it on his own timeline, you guys. Furthermore, he posted on his stories the very flowers, the very birthday cake, those Ferrero Rocher chocolates that he sent to Vuyokazi. And he wrote again, happy birthday, my love. She said yes. Listen, Kolani wants it to be known. And guys, if you zoom in, it's just that you guys won't be able to zoom in that well. I'll see if I can. Vuyokazi, when she posted this, she blurred out the name. She put a heart emoji on the name, where on the letter it shows where the letter's from or who's it from. But on this screenshot, because whoever took the screenshot took it from Olani's stories, it actually has his very name there. And then Vuyokazi, obviously, that is Vuyokazi's hand. If you look at the shirt or the hem, is it the hem or the ankle or the wrist? Actually, of this last picture, you can see it's the very same color and very same material of the actual dress that Vuyokazi is wearing on the full body picture, which is on this balloon. It's written, will you marry me? So guys, we are happy for Vuyokazi. Now I am just like, where is Umpumelelo? Wherever Umpumelelo is, angazi what's going through his mind. And I'm just like, Kutirelo can rest now because she has all her men to herself. She can go fight other people right now. But I'm like, guys, is this not the very same Olani that Vuyokazi took out a statement for? Let's do another video on that. Anyway, guys, send your congratulations to Vuyokazi. We will wait for Ukele to post it on her own, but I'm sure she gave her man permission to post this. I'm sure they were ready. And yeah, you guys, I am so ecstatic. I am so happy for her. You know what? Because there's something about knowing your worth. And I don't know whether I want to even say knowing your worth, because allegedly they saying that goodness Tembu, where she said yes to, the guy also wants is Tembu, except Vuyokazi is number one, which is the very same position she was fighting for from Umpumelelo. So sometimes the things that you peg a guy to do, there's a guy that is willing to do those things over and above. So sometimes when you have to beg a person to be doing certain things, you guys, it's just a clear indication which agafun. And here a guy is, here Kolani is, he married her over how long, guys? A year, less than a year, asaz. But we're happy for her. Congratulations, Vuyokazi. Happy belated birthday, because I saw this was done all on her birthday. So belated happy birthday to you, Vuyokazi. I'm sure she had the birthday of her dreams, you know. I'm sure she went to bed like with such I'm sure she was so happy, you guys, and we are celebrating and we are happy with them. Anyway, guys, please do make sure you like this video. Tell me what you think about it. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.